Hello to everyone and welcome back. Hello to everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm doing kind of a night ride. If you didn't know that, there was probably a prostitute, but I'm not sure. But I assume it was. So right now mission number one is to fuel up since I'm almost out of fuel. Second thing is to get to the garage before 10, because otherwise my girlfriend will be mad, because I promised her that we would talk today, but I just want to ride a little bit more, so I told her I need to fuel up and then I go home. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to fuel up. Wow, this bike sounds so good. There's no one behind me. I hope you guys see enough, since in Italy the roads aren't that lightened, so it's not that much light, so it's probably way too dark to see anything. For example, here are just those old analog lights, not halogen, how do you say it? Halogen? Those lights. And I still need to fix the position of the camera, since it's very low, in my opinion. Tell me how you like this POV, because I am thinking about moving the POV like from here to here, if that makes any sense. If you are police, don't look at the speed, it's distorted. I didn't calibrate when changing tires. Sounds good. Bro wants me to surpass him, but that could be a trap. Now I'll show you the gas station where I normally go to. I just thought I got a call, but no. By the way guys, I got my cardo back because I handed it in because I had problems with the app. It would connect to Bluetooth and everything, so I could listen to music, but I could not connect the intercom to the app. And for those guys who own a cardo, know that without the app the cardo is basically useless, and that's the reason I traded it in. But now I got it back and the app works just perfectly. I think I got police behind me. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Oh no, I believe it isn't police. Nope. He immediately followed me. Do you guys also have a problem whenever someone follows you, you believe it's police, if they somehow keep up with you, or go right after you pass them, they go out and speed up to you? Do you also have paranoia that that's police? Or is it just me? I get that feeling all the time. In addition, do you guys enjoy these kind of videos, vlogs, or should I go back to pure sound? Look at that city. Just amazing. And there is the gas station I want to go to. I believe you don't see where I'm pointing at, since it's too dark to see. And yeah, Not even without visor I can see my hands properly. I just see the shadow that it makes. But yeah, there I need to fuel up. So there are two ways to get to the fueling station. The illegal one, where some people would just turn right here to get there, or you go to the roundabout right here and you just turn around. Easy. There are some people. It's always really cringe. Number 5. I just unlocked the fuel pump. Okay. I believe he's going to talk to me. Definitely. I don't see shit. Oh no. What the hell? Okay, this is a hard illegal move, but that was a hardcore illegal move, but it was, I call it in German, Trick 17. Faccio il furbo. Madonna che. Just 17. Okay, now I need to ride a little bit slower since I got radared behind that corner once. So I don't want to have that happen again to me. I got more than enough time. It's only 30 past 9. By the way guys, where are you from? I never asked. From the stats there are a lot of Italian, some Germans, some Americans, so a little bit from everywhere. So let me know where you are from, and if you ever get to my region, South Tyrol, hit me up, but probably I won't be here since the next 3.5 years I will study in Germany, so I won't be around that often. But I'm going to try to get home every second weekend, since it's just a 4-hour ride, which is quite okay on the bike. Sadly, I have to pass through Austria, and in terms of riding, I really hate Austria. It's such a lame country. On the highway you can just ride 100 kilometers an hour, which would be around 70 miles per hour, around that, or 68, something like that.